Good morning. It is 3:43 in the morning right now, and I just woke up. I am feeling very tired. That's my night light. Let's get up. And by the way, my dad's not here. I just have my grandparents, so I'm the one filming all of this.
Flying a plane on it.
He'll take a shot with it.
Yes, that's great. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Picking up our suitcase right now from the airplane, and in a minute we're gonna go to my uncle's house and see my two little cousins. I'm super excited to see them because I haven't seen them in a really long time. Oh, here they are, right here, Ethan and Evan.
It is. Why is he taking so long? Let me take a bit.
Cheaper than the trial, boys. I suggest you clear out. Good luck, Bill.
Tom, you get back here. Tom, save me!
Doc! At least he tried, Wyatt. That's more than I can say for us.
Next day, Billy, come on. We're gonna kill him, you idiot.
But we can leave right now. We will leave. Oh, that's not what I want.
All right, Hunger. You want to play for blood?
I'm your Huckleberry.
Calvin, room 202. 200, 202. That was pretty easy. I have to use this side of the welcome. I said we'd be here in like 5 seconds. Not that door. Not that door. But this door. Please check your guns at the door. Good thing we don't have any guns. There's a lot of drinks and no paper. smell paper and some other stuff. This mirror has been here since like 1882 or something like that.
Now I'm totally acceptable to it. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you the history and the paranormal history as we go through the building. If I say some words that you don't understand, ask me. I'm out of the Smoky Mountains, North Carolina, and sometimes I catch myself going back to the southern slang that I used in the And also, before I had the defibrillator implanted, I had on a life vest. I come in one morning, opened up, I put a brand new battery in it. Within 30 minutes, I had to call my wife to bring me a new battery. It went completely down.
We were here before and she got grabbed.
Oh yeah, you'll get grabbed.
And
You
now
might,
I can't record anything.
you might feel somebody do this.
Yes,
Yeah, they-
that's what I
grabbed
Yeah.
her.
Now, there is a room right as you go up the steps on the left that a Russian stayed in for 2 years. He was a rich Russian going to be a big bad cowboy. Well, guess what? He left here, went to New Mexico. 2 days after he left here, he got caught stealing a horse and got hung. There is pictures of him in the archives. His name, like I said, his name was Russian Bill. Took a picture one night from down here while yeah, that's
My goodness.
yeah. We get a lot of pictures of her, a lot of pictures. The only thing that would have been down here was gas lanterns. They played all night long, all day long, till they either gave up, took on wind as they loaned, or lost all their money. The runner sat in this chair, he get the next person on the list, hit town, go looking for them, and bring them down and tell them to have a seat. Why do you think this is dirt? This never. It does date back to the 1880s. I can't say it's the one. No, you gotta go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. That's why they kept the bad pants handy. You go back up steps, go to the main floor.
Yeah, this here is another blue ribbon. You might see it over there, you might not. Right on this gravestone. And here's the blue ribbon and some money on top.